Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preparing a reproducible environment. Create and activate a virtual env so packages stay isolated. Once done, install face recognition, OpenCV, dlib, and numpy with pip, because face recognition wraps dlib's models for simplicity. Next, gather sample images in labeled folders, one folder per person, and make sure faces are frontal and well lit. This allows the encoding step to produce reliable vectors. Finally, open a new Python file and import face recognition and CV2 to begin processing. Now you'll convert images into numeric encodings, load each labeled image, detect faces, then call face recognition. Face encodings, to get 128D vectors. Store those vectors and their labels in lists and pickle them so you don't recompute on every run. Once saved, open the webcam with CV2. Video capture, grab frames, and locate faces using face recognition. Face locations. For each face, compute its encoding and use face recognition. Compare faces plus face recognition. Face distance. To find the best match and a confidence estimate, then draw the label on the frame. To finish, show annotated frames with CV2. Show and handle keystrokes so you can quit gracefully, always call cap. Release and CV2. Destroy all windows to free the camera. Make sure to tune your matching threshold, reduce the distance cutoff for stricter acceptance, and add more varied images per person to stabilize encodings. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip is dlib installation. Errors often mean missing build tools. Install Visual C++ or use pre-built wheels, then rerun a minimal script to verify.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.